So, I hear you want to know how to calculate the speed of a moving object. That is great because I know all about speed. After all, I am a superhero. Well, calculating speed is easy, as long as you know the distance and time. What I mean is, how long it takes an object to travel a certain distance. So if I were to run around the block, a distance of 500 meters and it took me 100 seconds, then I traveled at a speed of 5 meters per second. Because 500 divided by 100 is 5. Now you try. What if I ran 200 meters in 20 seconds? First, write out the formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. Then plug in your numbers. Distance is 200 meters and time is 20 seconds. Finally, calculate the answer. 200 divided by 20 is 10. But don't forget your unit. 10 meters per second. Now you know how to calculate speed. Have fun.
Now let's try some examples. Here is Usain Bolt setting the world championship record for the 200-meter dash. To calculate his average speed, we do distance divided by time, which would be 200 meters divided by 19.2 seconds. Here is Michael Phelps setting the Olympic record in 2004 for the 100-meter butterfly.
And the men's 100-meter fly.
Well, this is a tale of two races. Crocker, right there in lane number 3, will take it out. The second part of this race, Michael Phelps. He will come home. Phelps has got to keep it close. He cannot let Crocker get too far away, and I think he's doing it already.
Crocker with a big lead here. Phelps in his 17th swim of these Olympic Games. Crocker makes the turn and has the lead. He's under world record pace. Phelps was in 5th. Certainoff is right there.
You know, the big key is Crocker's not going to die. He may fade just a touch, but he won't die, and I don't think Phelps is going to have enough to surge. Although, look at Crocker. He is starting to tighten up just a little bit. And keep an eye on Certainoff to the right of Phelps.
Certainoff is pushing Phelps. Crocker has the lead. Can Phelps make the final surge to the wall here? I don't believe he will. Yes, he does! Unbelievable how he snuck in!
To calculate his average speed, we do distance divided by time, which would be 100 meters divided by 51.25 seconds.
Crocker gets the silver. Certainoff the bronze.
Here is Mame Baini competing in speed skating. She can skate at an average speed of 11.5 meters per second. How long should it take her to finish this 500-meter race?
And this is what I'm talking about. Untapped talent, number 1, Mame Baini.
To calculate the time, we need to divide the distance by the speed. In this case, 500 meters divided by 11.5 meters per second.
It pulled away. So Mame Baini gets the bell. And if she stays up, Gary's making a push here around this last turn. But it will be Mame Baini to win round 1. She's just got to be so ecstatic, leading line to line from front all the way to the end.
Here is a top fuel dragster traveling at 197.71 miles per hour. To calculate the distance traveled, we do speed times time. The speed in this problem is 88.38 meters per second, and the time is 4.587 seconds.